I think it's gonna take me first 6 inches.
Ew.
Ew.
Shannon, are you gonna time
Yeah, now eat.
Can't win.
Okay, wait. I'm just texting you. Just a second.
it?
Texting me. How long do you guys think it'll take me? Minute and a half.
Ew.
Sure.
Miss Slowpoke over here. You guys videotaping right now?
Yep. Okay.
Oh no. Gotta clear my throat first.
Oh, the memories we'll have.
I can taste the pickles already. Look at all that. Pickles!
Where's my timer?
Holy fuck. How long do you think it's gonna take me to finish a 6-inch?
A minute and 10 seconds.
Okay, well, you gotta let me look at the timer while I'm eating it.
Ew. So she gets on her iPod.
Yeah, there's a timer on it.
Oh, okay.
Hold on, I gotta get down and ready. That's locking my passageway
Get
here.
in the zone.
I gotta see the timing too. Man, this is like 2 minutes just waiting for you.
Yeah, it's been a minute and like 50 seconds.
Yeah. Okay, it's been 2 minutes right now.
Holy Jesus, I'm hungry.
I'm making you wait.
It's just gonna make me eat faster.
Oh my gosh. Oh, fuck.
It's probably gonna take me more than a minute.
Stopwatch. There we go. Timer, set, go. You're not eating like you want to do this under a minute. Oh god. But I guess slow and steady wins the race. We'll see about that. Five seconds.
Yeah.
Half a minute. Quick, 2 seconds.
2 seconds.
And you lose.
You lost.
Oh yeah. That was great. Under a minute 10. So that was like the smaller half. Cheater. That's great.
Okay.
Now wash it down with some cola.